Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Monica Isham, threatens to not hold court over Friday's unlawful, illegal, unconstitutional arrest of Milwaukee judge Hannah Dugan. Let's take a look at this new reporting by the New York Times. The New York Post. The article, ladies and gentlemen, is titled, Lefty Judge Threatens to Close Court start raising bail money for defendants after feds arrested Judge Hannah Dugan for allegedly helping illegal migrant avoid ICE. And ladies and gentlemen, that article reads, a lefty Wisconsin jurist is threatening to not hold court following Friday's arrest of a Milwaukee judge for allegedly helping a Mexican illegal migrant evade federal immigration officers. Monica Isham, a circuit judge, Sawyer County, defended Judge Hannah Dugan Saturday, claiming in an email to other state judges that she, quote, has no intention of allowing anyone to be taken out of my court room by Immigration and Customs Enforcement agents and sent to a concentration camp, unquote. Wisconsin Right Now First reported. Isham, who in 2023 became the first Native American elected to the county's circuit court, also threatened to, quote, start raising bail money, unquote, for defendants. Quote, yesterday, Hannah Dugan of Milwaukee County stood on her oath in the very building she swore to uphold it, and she was arrested and charged with felonies for it, unquote, Isham wrote. Quote, enough is enough. I no longer feel protected or respected as a judge in this administration. If there is no guidance for us and no support for us, I will refuse to hold court in Branch 2 in Sawyer County. I will not put myself or my staff who may feel compelled to help me or my community in harm's way, unquote. Quote, if this cost me my job or it gets me arrested, then at least I know I did the right thing, unquote, she added. Dugan, who has been on the Milwaukee bench for nearly a decade, is accused of obstruction of justice and concealing Eduardo Flores Ruiz from arrest following a pretrial hearing last week. Dugan appeared briefly in Milwaukee federal court Friday morning before being released after prosecutors said they would not ask for her detention before trial. Her arraignment has been set for May 15. She faces a maximum of 10 years in prison if convicted on both counts. It was not immediately clear whether Dugan would be placed on leave during her case. Flores Ruz, 30, had illegally entered the U.S. in 2013 and was deported. It's not entirely clear how he got into the U.S. the second time. FBI Director Kash Patel said Friday that Dugan, quote, intentionally misdirected agents away from, unquote, Flores following a pre-trial hearing last week. The illegal migrant is accused of hitting someone 30 times during a fight that erupted over complaints that his music was too loud, the Milwaukee Journal Sentinel reported. Ladies and gentlemen, as always, when more information becomes available, it will be instantly reported on. That's going to do it for for this legal breaking reporting, ladies and gentlemen. If you did enjoy this legal breaking reporting, firstly, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Secondly, if you want to stay up to date on all the things legal breaking reporting on the side of politics, please follow me on my social medias that will be linked down below. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, Threads, as well as TikTok. Thirdly, ladies and gentlemen, if you would also like to stay up to date on all the things legal breaking on the side of politics, please hit the bell icon and hit the all notifications options. The bell icon is located beneath the screen here on the right hand side of the subscribe button. Thirdly, ladies and gentlemen, please help me reach and achieve the goal of 160 plus subscribers for the channel. The reason why I'm saying 160 plus subscribers, ladies and gentlemen, is because right after we reach and achieve the goal of 160 plus subscribers, we have more subscribers to reach and achieve right after we reach and achieve the goal of 160 subscribers. Fourthly, ladies and gentlemen, please stay positive, please stay safe, and know that justice will prevail on the correct side of the law despite Donald Trump and his illegal administration's unconstitutional, illegal executive actions and executive orders and behaviors. Lastly, until my next reporting, I will talk to you guys in the next reporting.